Hello, students. This is Miss Parker. I'm just going to go through this packet. I think you should be able to do most of this independently, but I'm going to read through the words and explain some of the activities to help you. Here are our words: garden, friendship, joy, liberty, freedom, peace. I want you to read those to yourself and read them to another person. So if you need to pause the video, you can. Now I want you to read through the definitions, synonyms, antonyms, and example sentences. I will read through the definitions, and you'll see that not all of these have synonyms and antonyms, but I want you to go through and read the example sentences and other words to yourself. So now I'll read the definitions. Freedom is the quality or state of being free. Friendship is the relationship between two or more people who get along. Garden is a place where flowers and vegetables grow. Joy is the emotion of great happiness. Liberty is the quality or state of being free. And peace is a time when people are not fighting. So you'll see that two of these words are synonyms: liberty and freedom. They're listed as synonyms for each word. That means that they mean the same thing. All right, so your instructions for this activity on the printed copy say, read the words, then rewrite each sentence in the correct order. Read the sentences on your definitions page if you need help. And remember to use any correct punctuation. So it says, give Henry me death said give having for Patrick or famous me liberty is. So that was a little confusing and you might not know where to start. So if you see the word liberty, you can go back to your definition sheet and read through those example sentences again, and it can help you. So I did the first one for you, and you have a few more to do by yourself. Here, you're just going to rewrite the words in cursive. If you have room to write it 3 or 4 times, that's fine. If you only have room to write it once, that's okay. You can use the extra space at the bottom if you need more room. Now I'm going to read the poem to you. I want you to also read it to yourself and read it to another person because that will help your reading fluency. Help the World by Neil Levin. A garden full of friendship and a river full of joy. A land of life and liberty for every girl and boy. A planet full of freedom, full of peace and full of fun. These are things I hope that I can help the world become. So it's a very good poem, short and sweet. There's a couple of activities for you to do. If you got the printed copy, they're front and back. And later this week, or maybe early next week, I will go over those answers with you guys. Don't forget to go online to do your video on Flipgrid and email me if you have any questions at all. Bye-bye.